Yeah, it's probably get game time, isn't it? Alright, so the other thing is we actually had, what, Diamond Tier, but we didn't actually make Diamond Tier on that mission. I'll have to take a look at that less than, 10 seconds tier list thing. Level start time is not a member of Dashkin mission stats. See the declaration of mission stats. It's going to be in what are generated objects or whatever the hell. So mission stats, we've got mission start time and mission end time is what we got. Is on mission end even called? Alright, so we'll check if this on mission end is actually called, because that's not working, is it? Actually, on mission end and on mission start here should be working. So the question is, why weren't they working? And really what I should do is I should just get rid of these, shouldn't I? Because it should be in the mission system, not in this game instance thing. This isn't even broadcasting the right events. And this isn't even working, so let's build this instead. And I really should just move absolutely everything inside the mission manager to keep the game instance from being just a wasteland of nothingness. But better a wasteland of nothingness than not working at all. Slowly coming together. Yeah. So after I get the mission stuff in here for this, I'll need to start working on the in-game UI systems for the mission. That's going to tell you basically what's going on. And one of the things I might want to do is just try to get some of this actually working inside of the UMG stuff instead of having it inside of other things. Instead of having it inside of the HTML, that is. Well, all right. What day is it even? It's Wednesday? Jesus. Oh, man. All right. Yeah, this year I just gave up. I was gonna mow my lawn, but then I just decided I really didn't care. So I have people for that now. I need to stop this editor. Alright, let's see. Arena level. Okay, so if we compile this, yeah, so nobody was calling start mission or end mission, is what it looks like. So what we need to do is these level edge actions set in stage. What we want to do, yeah, so reset mission data. And we also want to call this on mission start. It's not going to tell me anything about yeah, there we go. So we got that. Not sure if streaming or frozen. I'm streaming, I'm just very still. Alright, so on mission start. And then we need server set post mission. Actually, we want server set post stage. I guess it's post mission that we actually want. No, post stage, we want to know if we are the last stage. So set post stage. So it's going to be update post stage. Alright, so server set post stage. So if we have a next stage and that equals true, then we just do this stuff. Otherwise, we need to call on mission over. And we need to know if we won or lost. So where do we actually figure that out? Is that an update post stage? Yeah, so it's this has one mission, so we need to call update once, I guess. If has next stage is false, if has one mission, on mission over is being called. So we're already good to go with on mission over. It was just the in stage stuff. So that's all done. So let's test it out. Alright, so player. Alright, so on victory is there. Level end time. On defeat. Let's see, on tie. This is on the player state, so we don't need this. Get current mission stats. Seconds, 9. So we got diamond tier on that. We hit continue. Seconds, 0. Alright, what the fuck? Where are you? On mission over. So we should set the mission end time right here. So let's retry. So seconds is 15, so 10 for bronze. So that's why we didn't get anything. So mission end time is 83. What is the start time? So we took like 20 seconds for the mission. So mission stats. So this is not the mission stats. Oh, come on, Visual Studio. Oh, Jesus Christ. Click on something. This thing freaks the hell out. Alright, so it's in the data utils, right? It's just giving us the wrong piece of information. So it's supposed to be calling fill user stats like that. Jesus Christ. Fucking people. Alright, what's an inside of the mission? If I, on mission start, does not call current mission stats updated for the UI events. As it should. It's like, alright, we've now got the right start time for the level. Good to go. Shit. The end of all things. Yeah, so not too many people on Twitch watching in the middle of the night for programming. Which is pretty funny. I don't know, those are peak programming hours though. Alright, so we had 11 seconds on the clock. Seconds 28. Alright, so we need to push pause and pop pause when we're inside of our stage screens. That's what it looks like. Or we need to call mission over. In a little bit different way. So how are we currently calling this? Because that shouldn't be 28 seconds. Alright, so basically what has to happen is we need to do this once, and then so it's what? Server set post stage. If skip post stage screen, update post stage. Otherwise, set current stage. It's basically this has won mission, has lost mission sort of stuff. Okay, so we need something on here for won the mission or something like that, right? I guess it's the current tier. So return none, otherwise we'll return the current tier, which is here. Alright, so it's basically going to be if mission stats dot mission end time is equal to mission stats dot mission start time, or mission stats dot mission end time is equal to 0, return in progress. Otherwise, return mission completion dot current here. So server set post mission was, did I screw something up here? Server set post, post mission. Oh, this isn't where this goes. It's supposed to go in post stage. Yeah, I was like, this looks wrong. Alright, so update post stage needs that guy to be set properly. I guess we haven't. I guess it's just none for both. It should be undefined. Otherwise, we return the current tier, right? So we'll be able to get the current mission tier, and basically, if it's not fail, then we've succeeded. And it's calculated, so we don't have to go do all the calculations again. What was basically happening was it was counting up the seconds you were on the screen. Other than that, what I need to do is I need to have the push and pop pause, not just for the cutscene stuff, but also for the stage screens themselves. So I just have to wait until it's up there. Still pulling stuff out and organizing it so we actually have results, and we're getting there. It's pretty close. I'm gonna have to try to get exactly that whole 10 seconds thing. It might actually be inside a level utils. We gotta get less than equal to greater than. Alright, that's right. So let's go into our renal level, fix this thing up. We're going to need to call that one function that we just wrote, which is get current mission tier. So if this equals fail, then fail. Otherwise, win. Alright, so some of the stuff that we need to do is, let's go to our pre-mission screen. Pre-mission doesn't matter, pre-stage does matter, so let's set pre-stage. So let's push pause. And let's make sure all of our edge nodes for this state are covered. So we need to go to update, pre-stage. So let's pop our pause. Cutscenes already have that, so we need our server set post stage. We need to push pause. And the push pause is basically going to stop our game clock. And update post stage set. Alright, so the only thing that's going to change here is update post stage is the thing that's going to take us out of this. So server set loading stage. So we'll pop pause here. Set post mission, we'll pop pause as well. Server set post mission. Alright, so both of these guys basically. Probably organize all this a little bit better, but it's alright. Server set loading stage. Alright. Alright, so when we're loading a stage as well, we want to push pause. So when we finish loading a stage, alright, so if we are in the stage for the mission, load levels for stage. This is our sub-levels? Yeah, okay. And then we can call pop pause to go into the stage. Well, there's kind of a problem here, which is that we're not really sure how all these things work. Alright, since we're transitioning levels, it can be a little bit of a problem. If in stage for mission is false, what are we doing? So update loading stage. So if stage in mission is true, we're fine. Otherwise, we're doing our local skip and everything else. So load mission for stage. Server set pre-stage. So basically, I think it's going to be this load mission for stage. We need to go to our time utils, and if we're loading a mission, we need to not advance the clock. So we need to go to our is paused. Alright, cool. So that should do it for that. So we should have everything set up properly for our clocks. So we'll have to test all that. Alright. So let's go test that clock, shall we? Basically, I should see the same number of seconds on the clock for my stuff. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Why can't I move? 4, 5, 6, 7. Is loading level? Why? I can't move at all. Why? Because we're paused? Is that what's going on here? Did we not pop pause? So we've got an issue with what? The pre-stage stuff. So let's see. So level edge action, set pre-stage. So push pause. Alright, so is it inside of the update pre-stage? Okay, so it is something with what we just set there. So server set pre-stage. We should call push pause here. And we're supposed to call game state change, set current state, pre-stage, destroy the balls, game state, set stage options. So these should work. We have pop pause here. So we go to our pre-stage, start current stage, server set pre-stage cutscene, server set in stage. And pop pause is supposed to be called right there. Alright, so we'll walk through and make sure we're actually doing this stuff. What in the hell? Like, what? None of those breakpoints got hit. Okay, so how did the level start then? Because it did hit that first one, right? When did we hit it? So pre-mission. Loading stage. We called into pre-stage. Okay, so we are in the pre-stage stuff, but we never went to here. Server set pre-stage cutscene. Okay. So it's update pre-stage doing something, right? So local skipped. So how are we going to server set pre-stage cutscene? Okay, so we're calling start current stage, and that's bypassing our pops. So I guess we should just instead do local skip triggered as opposed to this guy. So we just set wants to skip to true inside of our... We need exit actions for everything to safely do this. All right. I need basically I just need a different system for this pause thing.